PC gaming world is full of choices, especially when it comes to graphics cards. Two popular contenders in the budget arena are the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 and the AMD Radeon RX 6600. These GPUs promise solid 1080p gaming performance without breaking the bank. But which one comes out on top? In this head-to-head comparison, we'll dissect the RTX 3060 and RX 6600, examining their strengths and weaknesses across various aspects. We'll delve into their performance, features, pricing, and more to help you make an informed decision. Buckle up, gamers, as we embark on this quest to crown the budget GPU king. From raw frame rates to power consumption, and even the finer points of driver support, we'll leave no stone unturned. By the end of this showdown, you'll know exactly which card fits your gaming needs and budget. Let's dive in. When it comes to gaming, performance is king. Both the RTX 3060 and RX 6600 aim to deliver smooth 1080p gaming, but their performance varies depending on the game and settings. In our testing, the RTX 3060 generally edges out the RX 6600 in most titles, delivering higher average frame rates. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Watch Dogs Legion, known for their demanding graphics, see the RTX 3060 pulling ahead by a noticeable margin. However, the RX 6600 is no slouch. It trades blows with the RTX 3060 in less demanding titles, sometimes even surpassing it. Games like Doom Eternal and Forza Horizon 5 see the RX 6600 holding its own, delivering a smooth and enjoyable experience. The takeaway here is that both GPUs deliver excellent 1080p performance, with the RTX 3060 holding a slight edge in demanding titles. The RX 6600 remains a strong contender, offering comparable performance in many games. Performance is crucial, but value for money is equally important. The RTX 3060 and RX 6600 are positioned as budget-friendly options, but their pricing can fluctuate. At the time of writing, the RX 6600 generally retails at a slightly lower price point than the RTX 3060. This price difference, combined with its competitive performance, makes the RX 6600 a compelling value proposition for budget-conscious gamers. However, the RTX 3060 offers additional features like ray tracing and DLSS, which we'll discuss later. These features add value to the RTX 3060, potentially justifying the slightly higher price tag for gamers who prioritize these technologies. Ultimately, the best value proposition depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're strictly looking for the most affordable option, the RX 6600 might be the way to go. However, if you're willing to spend a bit more for ray tracing and DLSS, the RTX 3060 offers more features for your money. Section 4. Ray Tracing and DLSS, the RTX 3060's ace in the hole? One area where the RTX 3060 has a clear advantage is its support for ray tracing and DLSS. These technologies are game changers in the world of graphics. These technologies, exclusive to NVIDIA's RTX series, can significantly enhance the gaming experience. Ray tracing and DLSS work together to bring a new level of realism and performance to games. Ray tracing simulates the behavior of light in real time, creating more realistic reflections, shadows, and lighting effects. This means that everything from the glint of sunlight on water to the shadows cast by moving objects looks more lifelike. While the RTX 3060's ray tracing performance isn't as powerful as higher-end RTX cards, it still delivers a noticeable visual upgrade in supported games. Even mid-range gamers can enjoy a taste of high-end graphics. DLSS, or Deep Learning Super Sampling, utilizes AI to upscale games to higher resolutions while maintaining image quality. This means you can play at higher resolutions without sacrificing performance. This technology can boost performance, especially at higher resolutions, allowing for smoother gameplay with ray tracing enabled. Gamers can enjoy both stunning visuals and high frame rates. The RX 6600 lacks dedicated hardware for ray tracing and DLSS, putting it at a disadvantage in this regard. This means that while it can still deliver good performance, it can't match the visual fidelity of the RTX 3060. However, AMD offers its own upscaling technology called Fidelity FX Super Resolution, or FSR, which can provide a performance boost, although it may not match DLSS's image quality. FSR is a good alternative, but for those seeking the best visuals, DLSS remains the superior choice. Section 5. Power consumption. Balancing performance and efficiency. Power consumption is an important consideration, especially with rising energy costs. As energy prices continue to climb, the efficiency of your components can have a significant impact on your overall expenses. Both the RTX 3060 and RX 6600 are relatively power-efficient cards, but there are some differences. These differences can influence not only your gaming experience but also your monthly electricity bill. The RX 6600 has a lower total board power, or TBP, than the RTX 3060, meaning it draws less power overall. This lower power draw can be particularly advantageous for those looking to build energy-efficient systems. This translates to lower energy bills and less heat generated, which can be beneficial for smaller form factor builds. In compact systems, managing heat is crucial to maintaining performance and longevity. However, the RTX 3060's higher power draw comes with increased performance in demanding games. This means that while it consumes more power, it also delivers a higher level of performance, making it ideal for gamers who want the best experience. This means you're getting more frames per watt, which can be a worthwhile trade-off for gamers seeking maximum performance. The balance between power consumption and performance is a key factor in choosing the right GPU. When choosing between the two, consider your power supply's capacity and your overall budget. A more powerful GPU may require a more robust power supply, which can add to the overall cost of your build. If you're on a tight budget or building a compact system, the RX 6600's lower power consumption is a significant advantage. It allows you to save on both the initial cost and ongoing energy expenses. However, if you prioritize performance and have a capable power supply, the RTX 3060's higher power draw is justified. For those who want the best gaming experience and are willing to invest in a higher power capacity, the RTX 3060 is a compelling choice. Section 6. Driver support and software. The importance of a smooth experience. A graphics card is only as good as its software. The hardware might be powerful, but without robust software, it can't reach its full potential. Both NVIDIA and AMD have made significant strides in driver stability and features, but there are some key differences that set them apart. NVIDIA is known for its geforce Experience software, which provides a user-friendly interface for driver updates, game optimization, and features like shadow play for recording and streaming gameplay. This makes it easier for users to keep their systems up to date and running smoothly. geforce Experience also houses NVIDIA Broadcast, which offers AI-powered noise removal and background effects for streaming and video conferencing. This is particularly useful for content creators and professionals who need high-quality audio and video. AMD's Radeon software offers similar functionality with its Radeon Software Adrenaline Edition. It aims to provide a comprehensive suite of tools for gamers and professionals alike. It provides driver updates, performance monitoring, and features like Radeon Image Sharpening and Fidelity FX. These features help enhance the visual quality and performance of games, making for a better overall experience. However, some users find Radeon software less intuitive than geforce Experience. The interface can be a bit more complex, which might be daunting for those who are not as tech-savvy. Both NVIDIA and AMD release regular driver updates to improve performance, fix bugs, and add support for new games. These updates are crucial for maintaining the stability and performance of your system. Driver stability has improved significantly for both companies in recent years, but NVIDIA generally has a slight edge in terms of driver release frequency and day-one game support. This means that NVIDIA users often get the latest optimizations and fixes sooner, which can be a significant advantage for gamers who want the best possible experience from day one. Section 7. Build quality. A closer look at design and cooling. A graphics card's build quality can impact its longevity and overall performance. Both the RTX 3060 and RX 6600 are available from various manufacturers, each with its own design and cooling solutions. Generally, both cards are well built with sturdy backplates and decent cooling solutions. However, higher-end models from manufacturers like asus, MSI, and Gigabyte often feature more robust cooling solutions, such as larger heat sinks and triple fan designs. These premium models may offer better cooling performance, resulting in lower temperatures and potentially higher clock speeds. However, they also come at a price premium. When choosing a specific model, consider your case's airflow and your budget. If you're building a compact system or have limited airflow, investing in a model with a more robust cooling solution might be worthwhile. Otherwise, the reference designs or more affordable models from reputable manufacturers should suffice.